Oh dear. They're not catching him. He's gone. He's gone. That's funny.
Hallo, mag even stoppen meneer? Hallo. Hey. Hallo. Mag ik even uw rijbewijs zien alsjeblieft?
Waarom?
De reden is dat u zoveel geluid maakt.
En
dat
u weet dat het van mij komt.
Wat zegt u?
U weet dat het van mij komt.
Ik hoor u niet. Zet even uw helm af.
U weet dat het van mij komt.
Zeker, want wij stonden daar.
Van 4 motoren weet u dat het van mij komt.
100%.
Weet u zeker?
100%.
Ik heb het op beeld, hè?
Ja, is goed. 100%. Wij stonden daar 20 meter verder.
Ik heb jullie gezien, maar dat was het niet.
Nou, ik wil even uw rijbewijs zien. Kom op, kom maar. Wacht even.
Oh, the feds. The cops. The cops turned around. Hey, he's coming. Take off. Take off. He's literally right behind us. RG is going crazy. Yeah, he took off. I told him to take off. He doesn't have his plates and they're gonna light us up right now. I knew it. I knew he was gonna get me. I don't know what the he's pulling me over for. Is there a reason he pulled me over?
Yeah, your license plate expired last year.
Yeah, I know.
That's the reason I pulled you over. Why don't you get new plates on the bike?
I work right here.
Okay.
And my bike was sitting there for so long and I just taken it.
But that expired over a year ago.
Yeah, I haven't moved it.
What's that?
I haven't moved it.
But you still have to have it registered. You're driving it now.
Yeah, I know, I'm sorry.
Okay, you still have on.
Yeah.
Okay.
I actually gotta go to court for that tomorrow actually.
For what?
Because they got me with no plates or no sticker also.
Well, that's the same thing.
Yeah, I know. I had moved it though because I'm not from here. So
You're having legal plates on the vehicle.
no, they're not.
You're from here. You're from Wheeling.
No, they're not illegal. Well, I was living in
They're illegal because they're expired a year ago.
Oh yeah, but my plates aren't illegal. I mean like the
They're
sticker.
illegal because they expired a year ago.
No, yeah, I know, but I thought you meant like my plates are illegal.
They are because they're expired.
Well, technically, yeah, but
Okay.
I'm not giving you a hard time.
Okay, well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to issue you a ticket. You're going to have to come into court and prove that you got it updated.
All right, and so all I got to do is prove it?
Yes, you got to come into court and show that you got your plates updated.
All right.
All right?
All right. I'm tired of getting pulled over on this.
Yo,
Yo, I got pulled over.
what happened?
He just said my sticker's expired.
He gave you another ticket?
Are you surprised?
Say anything about me?
No, he didn't. But bro, I told you, I was like, dude, I seen him do a U-turn quick. As soon as he turned his head and seen us, bro, he got in his car and dipped. All right, hold on, he's coming. So I'll see you right now. I'll be home in like 5.
Alright.
All right, peace.
Okay, you have 10 days to pay this ticket.
Wait, I just gotta pay for it? I thought I had to go to court.
I wrote you a different kind of ticket, but you have to get this,
You got me a city ordinance?
yes.
You guys want my money.
Well, the other ticket's 164. You got to be here or...
Oh,
All right?
then you just damaged my bike.
I didn't damage your bike. I made your bike legal. Okay? And don't drive this again until you get a new plate.
Yeah, I won't. Whatever. It is what it is.
Hey. Officer Brock Durban Police Department. He's not stopping you. I'm trying to figure out if this is street legal or not, to be honest.
Oh, it is.
What is this thing?
It's the e-bike.
An e-bike?
Yeah.
So it's an all electronic.
Yeah, all electronic.
Can you pedal it?
No, it's a motor.
Okay, so it's motorized.
Yes, it is a e-bike. It's classified as that, yeah.
Interesting. Is there any like serial number or anything on it?
No,
or?
you can't register them. They're not registerable. That's just because they're e-bikes.
Interesting. I've never seen one before, so
No.
I'm trying to figure it out, all right?
Yeah.
So
That's fine. No, I understand that. I figured eventually.
yeah, eventually someone would stop and be like, what's going on?
No,
I mean,
I've
it's pretty cool.
I've looked at all the penal codes and vehicle codes and stuff. There's nothing. It's classified as e-bike.
Okay. Let me, you got any form of identification or anything like that?
Yeah.
You do? Mind if I get it from you quick?
There be a reason.
Because you're on a traffic stop, you got pulled over.
Okay, but this isn't a vehicle. I'm not trying to be a hard time. I'm just saying. I mean,
well,
I'm not in a
tell
vehicle
you,
though.
As far as I'm aware, you're in violation of state statute because you're operating a motor vehicle on the roadway that's not registered.
This is not a motor vehicle. That's what I'm trying to
If you want to
explain
argue with it, we can, and I'll just start writing
Okay.
tickets.
A ticket
Or you
for
can
what
just,
though?
or you can just take it easy with me and we'll
I'm
figure
not
it out
trying to be
together.
a hard time. I'm just saying that this is not classified as a motor vehicle. It is actually not.
Okay. Based
I've
on,
read every page, every code, everything.
Okay.
So
All right.
I'm not trying to. I really am not trying to be a hard time at all. I'm just explaining that it is not considered a motor vehicle. It is a e-bike.
Start 210. He doesn't want to identify himself. Okay, that's fine. We'll wait here. Then
Okay.
if it comes in,
Yeah.
if I
Oh.
discover that it is in violation, I'll just start to write all the tickets now. If you're gonna give me a hard time, I'll give you a hard time. That's all it's gonna be. Okay.
Yeah.
So stay here. Keep your hands where I can see them. All right.
Yeah. Uh huh.
I will do all the extra legwork. I will read the definition of motorcycle, bicycle, and all that good stuff.
Uh-huh.
Determine what I believe it is.
Okay.
If it falls under bicycle, it'll be done. But
Hmm.
if it falls anywhere else, I'm going to write as many tickets as I can. Just because
Okay.
you're making my life a lot harder than it has to be. Because I'd
I'm not making
rather,
your life
because
harder.
this isn't really a big deal.
This is classified as an e-bike. I understand where you come from. It does not look like that, but that's just the design. It does the same thing as the other ones do. I see people on e-bikes all the time. Doesn't matter what way it looks.
I'm going to wait for my partner to get here.
Yeah.
So he can stand with you so that way you don't get
Oh my God, dude.
run off on there.
Yeah, I'm gonna run off on you, dude. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I mean, if I was gonna do that, when you went back to your car, I could have just took off. So to make that assumption is, I mean, come on. I mean, he's over there making, saying I'm gonna run and so I don't know what to do.
Well, if you're not identifying yourself, I can see how he's.
I'm not trying to give you a hard time. You want me ID? That's fine.
Yeah,
but I don't know where that's
gonna
gonna
be like 10 times more helpful.
Okay, but I don't know where
yeah.
that's gonna go. Like,
Here's the deal. Usually, if people are kind of giving
can
us
I go
issues
in my
and stuff-
pockets?
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Yeah. Let me give this to my partner.
Yeah, sure.
So what we're gonna do tonight, you will receive a citation in the mail. If you would just give me the driver's license, be like, hey, okay, this is what's going on. I promise you, I would have given you a warning. We would have been done. Because I'll be honest with you, I hate writing tickets. However, when you make my life a little harder,
That's good. I made your life hard. Let's just leave it at that. Okay, that's good.
are you going back to Rachel Road? You still live on
Yes,
Rachel?
I'm going back home because obviously I have to, right?
Okay.
We have to get you back home, and technically it's illegal.
Yeah, I'm
Okay,
trying to
I'll
find the
just walk
best
the
way to
damn
get
thing.
you home.
I'll just walk the damn thing.
All right.
You guys can follow me point.
We're not gonna do that.
I'm not
Faster,
gonna
yeah.
follow you. I'm not
Okay.
gonna do that. All right. So I'll just mail you a ticket in the mail-in.
But as it states, it looks like you have to get it registered as a vehicle if you're going to operate it in the roadway.
Bagulho deu ruim, hein?
We're not on the trail.
No, I saw you going to Old Trucker Bridge.
Okay, I'm sorry. I thought it was all paved surfaces are okay for Maryland e-bikes. Since when?
Since you can't have it in the state park.
I looked up on the DNR's website and it said any paved surfaces, it was okay.
No, it's electric. So you
These
can't
are
have it.
electric.
No, any motorized vehicle, even electric.
Even electric?
Yes.
Well, I apologize. I was unaware that
We're on our way home now anyway.
yeah, we're headed out.
How much
Yeah, we're just going to the parking lot. We're ending our day.
a mile left
Okay. Yeah, didn't somebody talk to you already though?
No, we rode all day.
We rode,
you're not the
we rode
first
all
officer
day.
we came across.
This was just a
It's
shortcut
about
for us to
30
get
miles
back because some of us are running low on battery.
Yeah. So you can't have motorized vehicles on the trails at all.
Okay.
All right.
I was under a different idea with Maryland DNR. I thought that they were allowed on paved surfaces. I apologize.
Okay. Who has ID on them?
I do.
You do? Anybody else have ID?
I have it. You all have it.
Okay. All right. Do me a favor. I need so we got a lot of traffic. There's a little building down there. I need everybody to meet me down there. Okay.
All right.
All right.
As you wish.
I don't know.
He's like stopping traffic where it literally
I know, right?
slow traffic.
He's causing traffic right now, stopping us.
Causing
I think we're all getting tickets.
Yo, it's about to get real.
What? Yeah.
It's about to get real.
What if we just kept going? He can't stop all of us.
The new law allows all 3 classes of e-bikes to ride on cycling trails and national parks through class 2 and 3 e-bikes.
But this
Well-
is a state park.
Well, let's see what he says.
Yeah, this
Let's see what he says first.
No, we're just cutting through because this is a shortcut and I don't want to be on the roads anymore because there's too much traffic. I'm trying to save our lives.
Thank you.
Hey, let me take a look at this.
He's looking for pedals. I guarantee it.
Yeah.
Yep, pedals. So he's the only one that doesn't have pedals, so it's all electric assist. If it's electric assist, if you have pedals, you'd be okay. But no pedals.
Okay.
So.
All right, we're heading to the parking lot.
All right. But I am going to issue a warning because you're the only one without pedals.
Okay. Yeah, we're only a little mile away from our parking lot.
Literally,
We only cut through here because traffic was so bad
We know we went
Bad
to
where?
get hit by a car.
on Rolling Road.
Yeah, there's a couple.
Yeah. Have you tried to ride 20
have it
miles
on
an hour
video.
on Rolling Road? It's ridiculous. So we're trying to save ourselves.
But what they're going to say eventually they're going to eliminate electric bikes from parks.
Yeah, but that's eventually.
That's eventually.
It's
Yeah,
not,
That's not now.
so I have it on my screen.
There's nothing for that.
So, except for him.
But it's still technically.
I'll be out of your park in like less than a mile.
But you're still
But it's-
are. So
yeah.
I just need your ID.
I
Okay.
don't have ID.
You don't? Okay.
I mean, I didn't expect any of this. I'm like,
Okay, that's fine. I'll take your name and date of birth and everything like that.
all right,
Okay. I'm just writing you a warning.
what is a warning?
Yes. I have to justify why I stopped you.
You didn't have to stop it.
Yeah.
Actually, you know, maybe it was a good thing Shreddy didn't come, because he would have brought his SurRon too. And I don't know if he has his pedal kit on.
And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, leave the like and follow us on other platforms. Links are in the description. If you want to support us, visit Lunatic store and get yourself something nice. See you in the next one. Ride safe.